Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into import data from Excel to the deal section. Before you importing any deal data, it's essential to ensure your Excel file is properly structured, formatted correctly, and free from errors. By the end of this video, you will have step-by-step guide to import deals effectively without issues. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So how to import deals from Excel to deals section in Bittrex? If you want to import deals into the Bittrex from Excel file, I will explain each and every steps. Finally, smooth import process will be done. First and foremost thing, you can prepare your Excel file before importing. Ensure your Excel file is properly structured and contains the required fields or customized fields within their Excel file. The Excel file, it must include CSV format. The fields contain deal name, stages, amount, currency, SN user, company name, contact person, email, phone number, close data, source, etc. Lot of fields. Whatever you want, you importing in the deal section, you can prefer your fields in their Excel sheet. And then once you prepare your Excel sheet, open the deal section, in the Bittrex and navigate to the CRM section and then deal section and click the gear button. There is an option, import option. If you click the gear button, if you click the import, then immediately deals import page will be displayed. Start uploading your file from your local PC and preferred ASCII format. Responsible person default, whoever importing the person name will be displayed. If the responsible person column will be available in the Excel sheet, automatically it fetch into the as a responsible person. You can must and should choose comma separated and click the next. Map each column from your Excel file to the correct Bittrex deal fields. Review and confirm import. Bittrex will prepare the data before importing. If everything look correct, click start import. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, all deals will be available in the deal section. And verify the importing deals. Go to CRM deals to check whether they're importing properly or not. If you needed, edit or updated any missing information manually. Import errors or fixes. Must and should you can follow these instructions. Some data is missing after importing, you can edit it. Check your Excel headers or ensure all required fields are mapping correctly before importing. Import fails or show an error, you can check it properly. Make sure your Excel file in .csv or XLX format and does not contain special characters in column names. So these are instructions before importing your deal data. So final conclusion of this session is import deals from Excel to Bittrex is a simple and powerful way to manage your sale pipelines effectively. By ensure your file is clean and well structured, you can avoid errors and save time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Got any questions about import deal into the Bittrex? Drop them a message in the comments below. I will happy to help. Stay tuned for the next video where we will explore data importing, how they can ensure your reports, that means your importing in the Bittrex 24 CRM section. Thank you.